Hello students, today we are going to start our fourth course of second semester, and that is the eyes are not here, which is written by Ruskin Bond. So in this first part of our fourth prose, we are going to learn the small information given about the writer and about this lesson or prose. Now listen carefully. Ruskin Bond, born in 1934. So here we are getting information that the writer born in 1934 is a well-known Indian author of British descent. Descent it means a person's origin or nationality. So Ruskin Bond was a well-known Indian author, but Ruskin Bond's main origin, nationality is British. He was a British person, but he is known as Indian author. He completed his first novel, The Room on the Roof, when he was 17. So here we are getting information that when he was at the age of 17, that time he had completed his first novel, and that is The Room on the Roof. Was awarded the John Llewellyn Rhys Memorial Prize for it. So this first novel written by Ruskin Bond, The Room on the Roof, this first novel got the prize on the prize of a John Llewellyn Memorial Prize for it. Since then has published more than 30 books for children, and from that time he had written many books for children, and we are getting information that nearly 30 books he had written for children and over 300 short stories, and he had written over more than 300 short stories. His stories have been collected in popular titles such as The Night Train at Deoli, and his short stories are collected in a popular title such as The Night Train at Deoli. This is the title of his collection. Funny Side Up, Ghost Stories from the Raj. These are the title given to his short stories. Some of his most well-known novels are Vagrant in the Valley. So, he had written many novels, and from his novels, there are given few names of his well-known, very famous novels. For example, Vagrant in Valley, A Flight of Pigeon, The Blue Umbrella, and Susanya's Seventh Husband. These novels became very popular. The last three have been made into film, and these three novels also have made film on these novels. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Akademi Award for short story called Our Tree Still Grow in Delhi. So in 1992, he had got the Sahitya Akademi Award for his short story, and the name title of that short story is Our Tree Still Grow in Dehra. In 1999, he was awarded a Padma Shri for his contribution to children's literature. And in 1999, he had got the award of Padma Shri. Why? Because for the children's literature, he had written many books for children, therefore. And in 2014, the Padma Bhushan. And in 2014, he had got the award of Padma Bhushan. Next fact. The eyes are not here, also known as the girl on the train and the eyes have it. So this lesson this prose which is having the title The Eyes Are Not Here, this lesson or this story could be known with the other titles also. For example, The Girl on the Train, The Eyes Have It. It's a deeply touching story about two passengers. So, this story is about two passengers, a boy passenger, a girl passenger, and that was a very deeply touching to our heart. Passenger in a train who are both blind, and these two persons, that girl and boy, both are blind and do not realize that the other is, and they didn't know that the other one is blind. They are thinking that I am blind but the other one is watching me. The story successfully conveys. Convey it means carry or transport. Conveys pathos, feeling of pity or compassion that the other is. The story successfully conveys the pathos and irony. Irony it means an expression in which the words are opposite to the scenes. In the situation, irony in the situation to the reader. So in this story, the writer successfully carries the feeling of pathos, pity or compassion and irony. Irony it means he had presented, given few words, but he wanted to express another different kind of opposite meaning of that word, those words. So in this way, this first part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.